Okay, in this video, let's see how to spec collections. So in last video, you would have seen like how to inspect some values like a string or what to say, a keyword or number or something like that. But how to do with collections, like many values together and you need to check something, right? So for that, let me just start from real scratch. Okay, so I'll just put like, okay, spec collection.clj, and never name a Clojure file with a hyphen. I faced a lot of difficulties with that, and so that's the thing. And okay, so this is there. Okay, now I need to, what to say, start my ripple. Oops. Okay, before that, I need to launch my terminal. Okay, so I'll just do lean Ripple. Okay, so we'll start Ripple somewhere. Yeah, it just started Ripple in this port. I've copied it. That is 64096. Now I'm just Ripple. Okay, not Jackin. Okay, I choose this since I'm a beginner. I just choose this Lenigen localhost. Now you just give the port number and you should be having your right. So okay, let me just get rid of all this, make it bigger, right? And okay, before that, I want to copy this from spec and I just want to paste it over here. So now let me just test the ripple. So I'm just testing it, right? So and now let me see if the Clojure spec is loading. Looks like it's loading, right? So now let's go back to our book. Okay, so now like okay, like okay. So let me just copy and paste it. Hopefully, I can explain to you so that you can understand, right? So over here, I'm defining a thing called string collection, right? So this is going to check whether a collection is string or not. Okay, so that's the thing. And over here, I'm just calling a method called s collection of. Okay, so or collof. Okay, so this has a function. Okay, so if the collection throws true to if every value in the collection throws true to the string, right? So for example, like I just have something like hi and then another thing called by and something like that, and I is a string and by is a string. Okay, so that's the thing. And so this will throw true. Okay, so this will also throws true. So and everything when finally passed to this one, like s dot valid collection of string collection. Like if I pass this, so if I just oops, why it isn't copying? Okay, so if I now pass this thing string collection, and to this if I just pass this argument, this returns true, and finally s valid returns true. So that's the thing. Okay, so now let me just execute this, right? And now if I just check for this collection, it says true. Okay, maybe if I add a number over here, so if I just add a number or something like that, for this number like 42, right? This string of 42 is false, right? Let me just try it over here. It's like string 42 is false, right? So this will throw false, right? So that's the thing. And now it's not a valid spec. Okay, so that's how it is. And oops. Okay, so Why am I not seeing my browser? Okay, yeah, fine. So now I just want to check whether a collection is number or string. Okay, so for that, okay, like first, okay, like I just, okay, so like, okay, let me just explain this one. So this is a spec or, okay, so for some reason, the spec or needs a keyword and then function followed by a keyword and then a function. So that's how it receives. So over here I've given a keyword number and I've just given this function number. That is, if it's number, this one throws true, and if it's a string, this string throws true. Okay, and this is or, so it should satisfy any one of them, right? So that's how it is. And over here, okay, since this is s or spec or, I've defined it as number or string. Okay, so that's how it is. So now it's number or string. Let us try it out. Okay, so number or string, and let me put 42. Yep. Oops. Okay, I need to put this s valid. That is like spec valid. Okay. This thing happens regularly. Like if I miss s valid, okay. Why this isn't? I'm not sure why this is not. Okay, yeah, now I know what happened, right? So you shouldn't give this brackets over here, right? So this number of string is argument to this s or spec valid, and this is the second argument, right? So that's how it is. Okay, so okay, so yeah, 42 is a string, and let me just give keyword 42. It's false. Now let me just give string 42, and this is true, right? So that's how it is. Now if I just want to take this as collection, okay, so def number or string, and let me just put collection, right? And then okay, s collection of number or string. Okay, this is AI is recommending it for me, but if you are a beginner, please don't use AI, right? So that's how it is. So yeah, so now I can just try, okay, like s valid, okay, or let me just try it over here. So s or spec valid, um number of string collection. Okay, so this will just say true because it's either number or string. Maybe if I just put something like that has something, it's not a number and not a string, maybe that'll, okay, let me just throw in a set. Okay, so and what this set contains, a and b, right? So that's what it contains, right? Is this a set or map? Okay, like, okay, let me just put a type and oops, type. Yeah, this is a map. Okay, so but yeah, like I can just put something like a is 1 and b is 2, and this is neither number nor a string. It is just another data type, right? So now it just says false. Okay, so that's the thing, right? Or you can put whatever it is, like you can even just put a simple keyword or a symbol or whatever it is, and it'll still true false. Okay, the thing is, like, yeah, like without writing, without, yeah, you're just able to do it for an entire collection with this very very simple stuff. So you're able to check an entire collection and all those things, right? So that's the thing. um okay, so okay, right, number of string collection. Okay, this I explained. So this is how you spec or what to say, spec a collection and all those things. So this is a short video. So yeah, maybe in the next video, yeah, not maybe, in the next video we will see like how to inspect collections, whether to ask some queries about them. Okay, so you have a collection, but you want to ask some queries about them. So yeah. So we in the next video we'll see about that. But anyway, thanks for watching this.